Hello everyone! So we are here today for a review about the Swiss Flame and Camflame. So two discontinued models. So the last review I did about discontinued model was the Super Timer, I think. So these two models are on the top of the list of collectors. They didn't last very long. They were produced for 3 years, so they are pretty rare. So we'll see what tools we have and different information about it. So see you in 10 seconds. So we'll start with the Swiss Flame. So this is the original box. So we have some booklet. This is about the lighter. So we have a lighter, of course, in this one. So it's how to use the lighter, different information. And this is just a booklet with the functions. So here we have functions in different languages. The knife. The Swiss Flame. So I have one in blue. I'll talk about it after. So it's not in the original box, but I'll talk about it after. So it's a 91mm knife. Thickness is 27.7 millimeters. It weighs 142 grams. It has 18 functions. The number is Swiss Flame 1.3705.ft. So we have a lighter, so we see a spark, but it doesn't work most of the time. That's why it stopped, because there were reliability problems with the lighter. So we have basic tools: large blade, small blade, can opener, little flat screwdriver, bottle opener, cap lifter, large flat screwdriver, and wire bender, 2 positions, and finally scissors and corkscrew, mini screwdriver, straight pin, the hook. We have scissors, so we have the hook, as I said in the video of Spartan and Climber, and the reamer, all keyring, pen, toothpick, and tweezers. So that's it for the Swiss Flame. It's a butane lighter, of course. I tried to see if it works, but it doesn't. There were a lot of problems with it, and it just stopped working. And today, if you find one that is working, you are very, very lucky. But it's a really beautiful knife, collector's knife. So we'll see. So now the Camflame. So it works exactly the same box. We have Swiss Flame here, but it's a Camflame. We can see here Camflame. We have exactly the same booklet, information about the lighter. So I'm not gonna show that. And we have the Camflame. So we have, of course, 91mm knife. The thickness is 27.7 millimeters. So it's less thick than the Swiss Flame, about 1 millimeter. So not that much. It weighs 136 grams, and we have 18 functions, so exactly as the Swiss Flame. Basic tools: large blade, small blade, can opener, little flathead screwdriver, bottle opener, large flathead screwdriver, wire bend, 2 positions. And the difference here is we don't have scissors. We have a wood saw. At the back we have corkscrew, exactly the same, mini screwdriver, straight pin, we have a little flathead screwdriver, and reamer. The keyring, toothpick, ballpoint pen, and tweezers. So difference is the wood saw and the little flathead screwdriver. Here we have scissors and the hook. This one is exactly as the climber, just we have the lighter here, which is exactly the same. This one is exactly as the camper, but the camper doesn't have the little flathead screwdriver at the back, but it's exactly the same except for that. So as I said, I have a blue Swiss Flame. I want to talk about it because a lot of people think that Victorinox sold them in red and in blue, but I don't think it was the case. They only sold them in red, but never sold them in blue. Why do we think that? Because we see a lot of them with blue scales, but I think it was just a lot of people switched the scales from red to blue, but it was never sold in blue by Victorinox. I think. I really thought it was sold in blue. Just wanted to say that. So if you have a blue one, probably not the original scales. Which one is a Swiss Flame, so with scissors. I didn't try to see if it works, the lighter here, and neither with the Cam Flame, so maybe I'll try that. We see a spark for both of them too. Yes, so they were discontinued. They were produced from 2002 to 2005, so 3 years, so a really short period of time. That's maybe why they are pretty rare. So they were discontinued probably because of the lighter. Even at the time in 2002, between 2002 and 2005, if you bought one, there were really big problems with the lighter that just stopped working after a short period of time. So that's probably why they stopped these knives, Swiss Flame and Cam Flame. There was another one with this lighter, which was the XXLT, which is like the XAVT but with a lighter, and was discontinued like this one and this one. It was produced between 2002 and 2005, so exactly the same as the Swiss Flame and Cam Flame. So I think that's it. So I try to see if the lighters work on the Cam Flame and blue Swiss Flame. So if you want to have a closer look of the knife, so we have a sticker here, inflammable. So here is to fill the knife with butane. So I think I said everything I wanted to. As usual, I hope you liked the video. If so, consider leaving a thumbs up, like. Leave a comment below to say what you think about the Swiss Flame, the Conflame, or to discuss anything else. If you have any questions, post them in the comment section too. I always answer them. If you wish to contact me privately, there is the email address in the About section of the channel's homepage. There's also the channel's Instagram account link in the description, so have a look. I regularly post photos from my collection. And finally, of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, to activate the little bell for notifications when there is a new video out. Obviously, plenty of videos coming up on all kinds of Victorinox and other knives probably in the future. In the meantime, I'll see you in the next video. I hope you enjoyed this one. Thanks for watching, be well, and see you next time. Bye bye. Quick review, because as I said, I tried the lighters, and the Conflame lighter is working. That's really amazing. I'm really happy about it, and never seen one working, and it's really great. So that's it. See you.
You stole my heart of gold after my silver soul.